I'm Kritat Modi's father. Kritat has been coming to RFL since over 6 to 7 years now. I think he must have started around 2014-15 and his journey has been very good with RFL. So I think since 2018 he's taking part into competitions and the teaching staff at RFL is so good that he's always excelled. Like first he came 31st international, then he came 4th, and this time I'm hopeful that he gets a podium finish. The thing I like about RFL are two major things. Kids enjoy over here. So looking at Kritat, even my daughter has started coming to RFL and now she stood second in the regionals and she's also going for nationals. The second part, I really like the coaches over here. Kudos to Salman sir and Atul sir, and I like Ashwin sir's attitude. Even during the competitions, he helps other teams, he helps the, contemporaries also. With the equal zest and equal zeal, basically he wants to promote robotics, not only RFL. That's the thing I like about him. He's aiming for IITs right now, and even if he doesn't get into IIT, I'm hopeful that he'll get into an Ivy League in US just on the basis of his robotics.